Hello my fellow gamers, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to assemble a sandbike using the welding torch in Dune Awakening. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So to be able to assemble it, I'm just going to actually firstly put the welding torch so that I can actually access it. So I'm going to just find it, let's see, oh here it is. So I'm just going to drag it here, just so I can easily access it, of course. Now what I'm going to do is to just click on 7 here. I can see I have it as 7 now, the welding torch. And as you can see, you can just swipe like this. So this works basically very, as you probably know the building tool, right? So it works kind of similar to it, I guess. So the first thing is going to be for us to put the Sandbike MK1 like this, the first one. Then we're going to put the other one here. Then the second one, then the third one. Then we're going to put the fourth one here. And this one, I guess, is going to be put here if I'm not mistaken. Yep. And the hole is going to be put here. And basically, yeah, this is exactly how to actually do this.